Lok Sabha leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi has long been alleging vote chori with Bihar and Karnataka in his crosshairs. But now a Congress leader appears to have shown him the mirror. In an interview, the Madhya Pradesh Congress president Jeetu Patwari has admitted that despite efforts to hide it, the party keeps losing in the elections. He questions why the Congress continues to face defeat, stressing that they can't keep blaming the BJP or sweeping the issues under the rug. In the end, he said, what matters are the results. A quick reminder of Rahul Gandhi's vote chori assertions. In Bihar, he, remember, has alleged that voters are being deleted and added, warning that the Election Commission has tried to disenfranchise many voters. In fact, he also issued a warning to the EC, saying they cannot get away with it and declaring that we're coming for you. In Karnataka, he also claimed that the EC is not functioning as it should and even asserted that he has 100% proof that the commission allowed cheating during the Lok Sabha elections.
Voter deletion, voter addition, new voters who are 18, who are way above 18. So we have caught them. Okay, and I want to send a message to Election Commission. Yes, sir. If you think you're going to get away with this, if your officers think you're going to get away with this, you're mistaken. You're not going to get away with it because we are going to come for you. देखिए ये बहुत serious matter है. Election Commission is not functioning as the Election Commission of India. Today they've made some statement. This is complete nonsense, right? The fact of the matter is that Election Commission is not doing its job. Now we have concrete 100% proof of Election Commission allowing cheating in a seat in Karnataka.
So this was the claim that was made by Rahul Gandhi, and taking to X, BJP spokesperson Pradeep Bhandari has said that the Congress party has been exposed, and that too by one of his own leaders. Meanwhile, the Samajwadi Party spokesperson Fakhrul Hasan Chand has also remarked that every party reviews wins and losses, adding that the BJP should first speak about its own failures.
जहां तक कांग्रेस के नेता पटवारी जी के बयान का सवाल है, तो हर संगठन अपनी समीक्षा करता है हार और जीत के बाद। संगठन में कुछ कमियां रह जाती हैं, क्योंकि जिस तरह के मुद्दे मध्य प्रदेश में हैं, जिस तरह से मध्य प्रदेश वो कर्ज में डूबा हुआ है, जिस तरह से मध्य प्रदेश में दलितों पर अत्याचार हो रहे हैं, जिस तरह से मध्य प्रदेश में आज नौकरी नहीं है, रोजगार नहीं है, किसानों की समस्याएं, कांग्रेस लगातार हार रही है, तो निश्चित रूप से उनको अपने संगठन पे काम करने की जरूरत है। और समाजवादी पार्टी समझती यही बात पटवारी जी ने भी अपने उस बयान में की है, और भारतीय जनता पार्टी अगर वो सवाल पूछती तो उसकी अपनी नाकामियों पे जवाब देना चाहिए।
My colleague Niyamika joins us on the broadcast. Niyamika, Rahul Gandhi has been alleging that there is vote chori happening. He in fact also went on to claim that he has 100% proof. The BJP has asked him, and even the EC has asked him to furnish this proof. That was never done. But now you have a leader from the party who is going on to say that in the end, what matters are the results. Is there going to be any change in strategy in the Congress party after a senior leader from the Congress party himself is coming out to say that we need changes?
Well, there is a completely different picture for the state of Madhya Pradesh if we talk about the Congress in particular, as it was Rahul Gandhi himself who had accepted that there is an infighting, there is and rift within the MP Congress, and that is the reason why they are completely failing to win any of the elections within that particular state. As during the time when he was addressing an event, if you remember, he had also given an example of the horses, the 3 types of horses that was being done within the state of Madhya Pradesh only, and it was basically being accepted by many of the senior leaders that the state unit is not being able to function properly. There is a continuous rift which is going on within the state of Madhya Pradesh of the Congress party, and that is the reason why there was a need to do a Sangathan Srijan Samaroh within the state of MP. But now this time it has been accepted on the part of the MP Congress chief, Mr. Jeetu Patwari, who has stated that the Congress members needs to find the faults within itself rather than blaming the BJP regarding this entire matter. If we talk about the blaming the Election Commission of India, blaming the EVMs, that it is basically being done by Rahul Gandhi for the states of Maharashtra, Karnataka and Bihar as well. As for Bihar, they are continuously making this allegation upon the BJP that they are trying to do vote chori ahead of the assembly elections. But there is a completely different picture if we talk about the Congress party in the state of Madhya Pradesh, because we also know that how there is a kind of a rift which is going on there between the senior leaders of the Congress party and the new members, the youth members of the Congress party in the state of Madhya Pradesh.
Okay, all right. Niyamika, thank you for joining us with those details. With that, it's time for us to slip into a quick break. We'll be right back.